Zenler Spotlight, testimonials to Zenler. Hi guys, so we wrote a little blog post that we were actually engaging with our Zenler users. That's for course creators and creating membership sites, having a community, running lives, pretty much everything to do with course creation in general. So some of our happy customers, we put a post out asking people to just give us a review and those sort of things. That's what I want to touch on today with this blog to vlog edition. So let's have a look now at the actual post itself, and you can see it's in here. So I'm not going to cover everything because it's just basically tell people what they need to do to write us a review. Okay, so we asked lots of people to choose why they chose Zenler for their business and what sort of niche they're in, and the fact that they love Zenler, and to note what was good about it for them. So we got a ton of reviews gone in, and you can see on our Trustpilot review we've got some beautiful reviews coming in here. So this is the post. Make sure you check out the link to see it. And you see this is quite old because we've actually got our old logo in now. Our logo has changed to a brand new glorious logo. But you can see we've got some stunning reviews on here. We've got tons of reviews on our Trustpilot review site. Here we go. And I want to just sort of tell you about you. This is from our customers. These are people using the platform. Okay, so if you are thinking about an online course platform and you're thinking the other competitors and those sort of things, and you haven't heard about Zenler because you found us by accident or someone's advised you to use Zenler, then take it seriously, because you can look at our reviews and you can see that we have really good reviews on there. 4.7. okay, so it should be 5 to be honest. There's a 1 or 2 in there where the people might well change it. But you can see these stunning reviews coming in here on all sides of this amazing platform, because people don't just talk about the platform itself, which has got tons of features in it. They also talk about our support, our technical support areas. They also talk about the training that we offer, and you need to know that we, unlike most other platforms, give you everything on the platform for free. So we have got a free trial version that you can go in and you can use the platform, and then if you like the more advanced features, you can upgrade to our pro and premium plans. Okay, so we pride ourselves on the education in Zenler. Zenler's got undoubtedly the biggest collection of training videos on course creation. We don't just look at it on learning the platform itself, which is part of the picture, but by far not the biggest part. And you might be surprised to hear that. The biggest part is marketing and making sales. So we do a ton of training workshops, funnels, live workshops. We run on-demand training that we offer for free on marketing, how to get to where you need to be to make sales and make your online business successful. And this is the key difference with Zenler, that we actually look at other things that you can do. We even look on how to be better on camera, how to connect with your audience, how to engage a community, how to run social campaigns, a ton of things. So Zenler just has everything, because of the ethos of our CEO, Rakesh, is I want all the education training, live support desks, I want all the workshops to be free and available for everybody on or off the platform. Now we offer, obviously, we premium support to our users, because they're on there, and so we hold a lot of it on our closed Facebook group for our actual Zenler users, but everybody can get access to this stuff on tutorials.newzenler.com. So I'm going to read you a few of the posts anyway. I've got one here from Patricia Strand. It's really good. Choose Zenler as the all-in-one platform. Of course, choosing Zenler as an all-in-one platform for my business has been one of the best decisions I've made. The interface is user-friendly, making it simple to design pages, build courses and manage everything in one place. What truly sets Zenler apart is its genuine commitment to our success. Absolutely, 1000%. We realize successful creators makes our business. You know, Zenler is successful only because of the success of our instructors. That's why they stay with us for years and years and don't leave once they find us. From regular high value workshops on everything from marketing to course creation, there you go, I told you, to their fast and reliable tech support. Again, I told you that. I always feel supported and empowered as Zenler doesn't just offer tools, they offer a partnership for growth. For any online business owner, Zenler is the platform you've been looking for. Thank you, Zenler, for making it all possible. So absolutely, Patricia, and we love you guys for actually choosing us and for loving what we're trying to do here, which is make you successful. That's our mission number one. That's our mission statement. Your success is our success. So I got Karen Keris here, and I see her in lots of the workshops that I run. She's in everything. She's lovely. And she said a day with Zenler is great. So every Friday, last day of the month, we run a day with Zenler, which is, we just came off the back of an 8-hour one, but we run 6-hour ones from this point on, last Friday of every month. And these are 6-hour lives where we touch on everything course creation, and we tell you and teach you with things like live build, housekeeping. We have live sessions going in there all the time on different things. So I'm finally transferring my website to Zenler, as I've been using it for my courses for some time. On today's live day with Zenler, I learned easy way to do SEO, faster loading of pages, and so much more. These free workshops are outstanding value for non-technical people. Non-technical, okay? We take it from the ground up, clear English. We don't bamboozle you with technical jargon or any of those things. So easy to follow with simple actions to do. Superb education and support. Thank you, Karen, and again, we love you too. So next we've got Zoe down here. No, Zoe. So it's really nice because, like, I see the people that are giving reviews on our Trustpilot sites. I kind of know them all personally because they're on workshops with me. They've been in workshops, they've been in other educator teams workshops, so I know these people. It makes it even great. It's like seeing friends' comments, you know. It's really so cool. So Zenler is packed full of support for creating an online presence. Going from being a tech newbie, thanks to Zenler's clear and super informative workshop tips and guides, I've learned so much about setting up my online presence at Zenler and continuing to learn much more each live. You know, so this like hones down to a point that I want to talk about, where is actually learning the platform itself is easy. Notice no one's saying about the platform because it's easy to use. So they've all done their sites, their courses, they're trying new things out, and now they're excited to come into the workshops because we're giving them a new angle. We're asking them, what do you want? We're giving them something and going, I didn't know that, I'm going to set that up now. And they can watch the replays, stop, rewind, and all this stuff to actually create what they need for their business, like on the fly, just by following along. It's so good to see. We have lots of people who are putting screen grabs on our Facebook group, and we are just about to release our community, our actual community on Zenler, which you can run, where we're going to have a lot of people posting in there as well. So next we've got Angela. No, Angela as well. She's from the US. Outstanding platform for coaching. Outstanding platform for coaching site. I'm so impressed with the diversity Zenler offers within the course section because it really helps me to keep my students engaged. The community offering helps drive discussions between students and also attracts new members to the platform. I highly recommend Zenler. So again, all 5-star reviews. Here we have Scott. So hi Scott, good to see you. So Scott's just put, I just completed Zenler's 11-day workshop. It was called a tour of Zenler, where we took people through we had 11 sessions over just over a month. And what we did was we took people through all of the different areas of the platform at one session at a time, as an overview, showing people what they can do. So Scott has put here, I've been with Zenler a few years now and never ceases to amaze me at the way they educate, listen, and are on multiple levels for their users. It truly is a family, and we do say that that it's the Zenler family. You're part of the family. It's much closer than just you're a member or you're an instructor or you're a paid user. That's not how we look at you guys that are on with us at Zenler. We look at you as you're part of the family, and we don't want you to have trouble and those sort of things. So Scott know really well. He's really good. He's super proactive, especially on the lives. He is helping all the time. So kudos to you, Scott. You make our life a lot easier. So we've got Ellie. Hi, Ellie. Ellie is another one. Education and support is fantastic. I just finished 11 session. That's the tour of Zenler again, live class, free. There were loads of reminders and new things to learn to get the most out of the Zenler platform, and ample opportunity to ask questions to get questions answered. The instructors are generous with their time, easy to learn from us as we're very knowledgeable. I'm very excited about the new changes coming as well, all to help us Zenler users to have the most successful business as possible. Yeah, so Ellie's touched on a point there. Zenler is very proactive for bringing in features. We bring so many new features in, and very, very quickly, and we're adding a ton of features more to our community area, which is huge. It's enterprise level community. There's going to be a ton of things dropped into there, as well as across the platform in general. So this is great. We got Charmaine Van Dyke, and she's saying Zenler win at workshops. So yeah, we really do. We're fanatical about workshops, teaching you and helping you guys. I just finished attending a great workshop by Zenler's education team. They are so helpful and come up with wonderful suggestions. So again, a beautiful little post there from Charmaine. And then we've got Azia here, and Azia's incredible educational support, a game changer. Now, look, why are these all about education? This is because when we finished our education at Day with Zenler and with the tour, we turn around and say, look, if you think because we want people to know about the support we give educationally, we think it's almost more important than the platform. Because there's so many times when you go into a platform and you don't know what to do and you don't know how to move your business forwards. And without the education support, it's really troublesome. And that's why we put so much time and effort into all the education we give, because we know that this is the way we can move you forwards to be successful. So learning the platform itself doesn't take that long, and you can build, although it's very advanced, Zenler, you can build on your experience by taking part in the workshops. And that's what we find a lot of people do, like Azia. So I've been using Zenler for a while now, and while the platform itself is fantastic, just said that, what truly sets it apart is the exceptional education support. The amount of training, guidance and resources available is beyond impressive. Beyond impressive. Well, we have the biggest library in the world for a course software platform, okay? So from step-by-step tutorials to live sessions and an active community, Zenler makes sure you're never left figuring things out alone. That's really key. And we back that up by having a live support desk. We have a live support desk running where you can be on with one of the education team in a group environment. You can come on, ask your questions, get it answered, jump off. Someone else can ask a question, jump, and then jump off. So we tend to find that people stay for a long time. They go in there and they listen to other people's questions and the answers, and they just build their knowledge up as Zenler by doing that. And we do that once a week. At the moment, we might go back to 2 days a week, and they're 2-hour sessions, long sessions that currently Mammy runs. So, and she does such a good job, So whether you're new to course creation or looking to refine your approach, the support provided helps you move forward with confidence. It's clear that the team behind Zenler genuinely care about user success, making it not just a platform, but a true learning hub. And she highly recommends it. So thank you, Azia. And absolutely, you hit the nail on the head. We care. We want you to be successful. We don't leave you on your own. We don't send you an email every 2 months telling you about a new upgrade feature that you've got to pay for. You know, we don't do that sort of thing. We just say, this is the platform, this is what you're paying, you get access to everything. And now let the journey begin. You've got your site, your course. Let's now get you making money with the platform itself. It's a key for us. So again, we've got Kula here, and she's only given a 3-star review. So she's just saying that she's had frustration. We do see, in a way, I like the lower star ratings, and we haven't got many of them. That's just one here. But I like them because it means that we can try and help and fix her problems. Sometimes you find what happens is people just get stuck because, and generally, I don't mean to be rude, but it's because they haven't looked at all of the education support stuff that we've got. and they don't know where the resources are to fix it. So they get frustrated, and sometimes they take it out on a site like Trustpilot. Personally, I think if she'd have reached out directly to one of the education team, this never would have happened, you know. So interesting, you know, 4.7 review, and you can see we've just got hundreds of really good reviews in here. You can see now we carry on 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, you know. So it's like love Zenler. I love new Zenler. They have over delivered on my expectations. I particularly love the amount of free support training you provide. I had no idea I'd be getting that when I signed up for a course hosting platform. So far I've done workshops on blogging, SEO, creating digital products, a couple of others. Elsewhere this would be a paid service, but new Zenler, we get it all for free. And that's from Nikki. Hi Nikki, I know you as well. So I've got a Sabrina here, and she's this course platform sets you up for success. Zenler provides exceptional workshops and training to help you win as a course creator. The workshop was so timely, and for those of you procrastinating on creating a Black Friday promotion, there's no excuses. Yeah, exactly, because we ran a workshop on exactly, and we even gave you the PDFs that you could use in your Black Friday offer. We gave it to you, and we do that quite a lot. We often give you code snippets, resources, Canva templates. We try and over deliver on these things all the time, and we always try to go one better on each live that we do. So have a look at these. We got Chris as well here. Hi Chris. Don't look any further. If you're looking for an all-in-one platform with the best price out there, don't look any further. I've been using Zenler for the last 5 years and never had an issue. Support is incredible. The tutorials are excellent. There is always someone looking out for your concerns, and you'll always get quick responses. The platform is super user-friendly and always improving. Thank you for the hard work, guys. Excited to see how Zenler will eventually become the best of the best. Eventually, we already are. Okay, it's fact. If you go on and you start using Zenler, you'll stay with us. Okay, and if you don't, it's because you haven't gone through those processes of learning the platform and being educated on it. Okay, so we got a ton more reviews in here. We'll put the link, drop the link in there. You can look at that. Also, I'll give you the link to the actual blog post here as well, so you can have a look at some of the reviews we've got on there as well. And you can just basically go through our blog site and have a look at all the training. Our blog in itself is a huge educational area. You can see here we just have blog after blog after blog helping you how to market, lead generation, actionable steps for creating and selling courses, success stories in there, all the alternatives from all the other leading platforms. LinkedIn as a marketing tool, the best affiliate programs. We've got huge payouts using Zenler, choice for we've got everything in here. Just so much content. In fact, I've even got a scam, stop being scammed, with advice on how to spot scams and all these sort of things. So we've got everything on our blog site, and we'll drop that in the chat as well. Guys, take care, and I hope you've enjoyed this little blog vlog from us at Zenler.